Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to add registered trademark symbol in Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to add the registered trademark. Go to the insert menu. Select the text box and draw a text box. Then go to again and select the symbol option. Then we can see here many symbol. Now I am select the normal text. Now I am find and select the registered trademark. We can see here the registered sign, click insert and close this window. Then go to the home menu and increase the size. Now we can see we add registered trademark symbol in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.